Hello everyone, my name is Jake and I have a problem and I think I came up with a pretty good solution to it. I have lots and lots of mica powders from Candy. Pretty much all I use would be a coupon code below to this and a link, so go buy some of that stuff, but that's not what this is about. I needed a storage solution for this. I do a live show every morning called Saturday Morning Cartoons. I have an overhead camera right here that points down. All of these mica powders are over here in the way, and it limits my working area to right here. And it's really doesn't seem like that important, but I'm trying to run a live show here. I could put shelves on the wall, but I'd have to walk over there to get every color. The audience picks the colors, all that. You get the idea. So I found these acrylic shelves on Amazon, and you can see the front part of it here is pretty deep. So what I did was I cut this off. Cut most of it off with a table saw so you could get this out easier, and then I made 2-inch spacers to go in between each one. I used metal 1/2-inch square tubing from the big box store and self-tapping screws. Put it all together. I just put 2-inch spacers in between each shelf, and I'll kind of show what I'm talking about. This is super simple to make. As a matter of fact, it was so easy I didn't make a video on it. I did an Instagram post on it, and I'll try to put a little bit here as we go along. But all I did was get this square-inch tubing here, and I lined up the top shelf with the top of that, and I lined up the center hole with that and screwed it in. And I made these 2-inch spacers, and they went in between each set of shelves, and that's how I got the bottom one. So then these ones are screwed in, so I put these ones and I screwed these into the center of this hole. Was at the center of this square tubing. So then the other ones pretty much had to line up. You couldn't mess it up. And once again, we had these spacers in there, and all we did was screw it in. Super easy. And I'll come around here and I'll show you how I attached it to the table. So these here are number 10 by 2-inch self-piercing screws, but I drilled a hole first that they would fit through, and it just went in through. I kind of had to notch the edge of this table so they would fit in there, but it's super simple. 6 screws, it's done. I made sure they had a washer type on the outside of this so it wouldn't go through. Super secure, super easy. I wish I would have recorded the actual building of this, but it's super simple. There is a post on Instagram, and I pretty much showed you on here. There's 116 jars on here, and I have room to grow. So if you enjoyed this, if you want to see the live show, come see us, subscribe to the channel, give me a thumbs up, and we'll see you next time, and y'all be good.